If I were the devil, I wouldn't come with horns. I'd come with pleasure, with distractions, with comfort. And deep down, even you know it, that this is just a lie. And most men today, they're trapped in it. As well as, this is not a conspiracy. This is a system designed to break men. And most men, they're trapped in it. But today, I'm not just talking, but I'm going to walk with it. Walk out there in the real world. No fake motivation, no bullshit. Speaking everything clear.
Do you think devil is clever or he's a fool? Of course, he's one of the most cleverest being in this whole realms. One of the most. Well, moving, I got two questions. Firstly, do you think he'd support you to be the best? And the second, would he manipulate your body first or your mind first? Well, he will never ever want you to be the best. And the first thing he's going to attack is your body because we desire to have good food. And for us as humans, good food is junk food. He will destroy us feeding what we want, what we desire, not what our body needs, as well as he's going to destroy your testosterone. Moving up, he's going to cut your physical challenges. He's going to stop building you, helping you get best. Well, one of the things that happened with me is that I've always been the best in my group. But at a certain point, I lost myself that it's over. I got no one else to be best. I got no challenge, no one who can help me get better. Well, finally, after weakening your body, what he's going to do is weaken your mind. Now that it has caused suffering to your body, it has indirectly caused pain and weaken your mind too. How? Because now that your body is full of endocrine, it has excess dopamine released watching porn, playing video games, as well as watching some short form content too. And what it occurs is that you get anxiety. Why? Because you are starting to become weak. Later, what happens is you go for perfectionism. You're going for perfectionism, you've got yourself anxiety and anxious, leading yourself from anxious to you have destroyed your relations because now you are isolated. You have isolated yourself. All the relations are cut down. What has this lead to you? Now you're alone. There's no one with you. You're watching porn, you're playing video games, you're watching short form content, and this has led, my friend, you to be weak. But not just here. There's much more for devils to do. So, once the man has lost his body and his mind, the devil is going to attack him spiritually. Well, first, what he is going to do is make you feel that there is nothing more deeper meaning to your life. Well, he will attack to your legacy, duty, and your missions. He'll make you purposeless, as well as he'd convince you to feel that instant glory and mock your self sacrifice. Finally, he is going to make you feel that religion is just nothing. And as well as you can see, and right now in this time, it is the same thing that I'm telling. It's working right now.
All right, so once I end him up and empty his spirituality, the first thing that I can do to him is destroy his relationship. Firstly, twist his point of view towards me, make them either object or either let them worship or hate them. For an example, you can see Andrew Tate. People say that he's misogynist. But the fact is, he guys right. When righteous comes forward, then of course people wantedly do it. People wantedly make it wrong. They change the point of view. As well as not just changing the point of view towards women, but also I'd take his family bonding, where I would promote fatherlessness more and let him learn bad habits as well as some bad things that would promote his life towards failure. And then finally, one of the First thing that I'm going to do is promote casual sex. Well, what would happen? That would lead to divorce, that would lead to a lot of things such as AIDS, HIV, and the sexuality would be more addictive. The lust would be more addictive. And once he destroys his relation with women and others and family members, I'm going to focus on killing his ambitions. Firstly, I would promote mediocrity, making him just able to survive, not thrive, as well as build a fear factor, make him afraid of taking risk rather than helping him being the best, as well as I destroy his legacy, distract him from his legacy. I would move him towards chasing status rather than creating some substance. So just that he could leave something for his family or his loved ones. He wouldn't be able to do all this if he's killing his family.
So, the final move that Devil is going to play is very dangerous, as well as it is the last move that is going to destroy everything. He's going to reprogram your identity. He is going to watch you and change who you are, rewrite who you believe you are, as well as he is going to attack at your masculinity and especially at its core. And he's going to label it as strength as your aggression, as well as discipline as invasion. And finally, everything is going to change, and every good thing is going to feel that it is wrong and bad. Although he'll convince you and horror you till you change yourself and you become a hollow version, completely different, scared, lost. And finally, by the end of this video, I just want to say that right now I just spoke about the problems, but soon I'm going to come up with a solution. So be ready. And remember, I'm rooting for you.